The most important thing for a plane to take off is that the runway is clear. And we as business people and we as leaders of our families, when our runway in front of us is not clear, it makes it harder to do all the things that we need to do with the efficiency and success that we want. And I have 3 tips for you that will allow you to really clear your runway in an easy, quick way. Number 1, clean your desk off every single day so that it's spotless when you start work the next morning. Number 2, clear your inbox before you leave the office or when you finish your day every single day so that there's not any unread messages. It drives me crazy when my phone has unread notifications. It causes me anxiety, and I feel like a lot of other people feel the same way. You can eliminate that by staying on top of your inbox. Number 3, always make your to-do list for tomorrow the night before. It makes it so much easier for you to sleep well at night knowing that, yeah, you have a lot to do, but you now know what all those things are and you're not going to forget. And just having that off your chest will make a huge impact on your ability to be efficient the next day.
I love it when you talk shop.
Talk shop. We like to come in a couple of times a week, talk shop, tell bedtime stories to the rook.